Hi everybody. So we're on day 2 of week April 13th through the 17th. So our first story is called Daisy at the Fair. Notice that it has things underlined that might help you with these questions. So, number 1, write B next to events in the beginning, M next to events in the middle, and E next to events in the end. So I'm going to help you just with this one. B. Look, how many paragraphs are there? Let's count. There's 1, 2, 3. So do you think beginning, middle, end? That's what I think. That will help you when you're answering numbers 2 and 3. So now, we know that's the beginning, that's the middle, and this is the end. Number 2, how did Evan care for Daisy in the middle of the story? So let's go right to the middle. The next summer, Evan took Daisy to the county fair. He brushed her wool coat until it shone. He brushed her silky ears. He polished her black hooves. So, somewhere in that sentence is a clue about how he cared for her. Number 3, what happened to Daisy at the end? So read the end, this last paragraph, and maybe it's underlined. Who knows? Maybe your clues are right there. So, next passage. This one is called Towers and Bridges. So we are reading the passage and then we're comparing the characters. So Andy, his traits, things about him. He was nice. He liked cars, just random things. These are just things I'm making up, but traits are like that. He's friendly. He's funny. So John, you'd write things about John too. Wants and needs. Maybe he wants a new bicycle, or he wants a bag of chips, or he needs a new pair of shoes. Same thing with John. And then actions, things that they do in the story. Maybe Andy jumps and he plays jump rope. So that's an action. So maybe John is playing handball. These are not happening, but that would be an example of an action. Now this worksheet I noticed is the same exact one we did yesterday. So if you haven't done it, go ahead and do it. But for now, we're not doing this because we've already done it. So for math, we're going to scroll down here. Now this gives you a nice little cheat sheet. It wants you to skip count with the coins. So it gives you up here, it shows you all the amounts of the money and what they look like. But right here's your example, which is really, really important. Oops, I made that not look so pretty. And it shows you that this dime right here, you could look back, it's 10 cents. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there's 50 cents. So now let's do it here. These are dimes too. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 cents. If you need to know how much to skip count by, remember, look up here. This part will help you. Just look at the picture and see how much you're going to be counting by. Now for part 2, it says find the total for each group of coins. So this one, there's different types of coins. So how much do you think this one is right here? I know what that is. It's a quarter. And I know quarters are 25 cents. So there's 2 for 25. Then there's 1, 2, 3 dimes. There are 1, 2, 3 nickels. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. And then ones. So go ahead and add all of those numbers up. And that should be the amount of money that you have. And then you're going to do that for the rest of this down here. Next, you're going to be telling time. I posted a video in our resources part that should show you how to do that.